Okay, clipping curves. This is the next thing I'm going to show. Now, not every seam is going to be straight. There are seams that are going to be curved. There are inward curves like this one, and there are outward curves. Using an inward curve, if we were going to put this right side out, we would have trouble making that lay flat because of the excess fabric that gets turned into that inward curve once it's flipped right side out. So what we have to do is we have to clip the curves. And what we're going to do is simply make some snips like this, okay? And then we will go back and cut out just teeny tiny little V's, okay? You want to make sure that you're not getting too close to the stitching, because you don't want to accidentally snip right through that. Okay, so clipping the curves simply means you're going to notch it or take these V-shaped cuts out of the seam allowance. Okay, so that's what it looks like when it's done, which means when we turn it right side out, it now has space to kind of fold in a little bit without overlapping itself. And we would be able to get a much nicer turn on our curve that then would lay nice and flat once we pressed it like that. Okay, but again, this is clipping your curves, which means you take the little V notches out of your seam allowance.